Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the render scale in Iron Nest. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. Do so from this button on the main menu or by pressing the escape key and then opening settings. In here select graphics and look for the graphics section. In here should be the render scale slider. By the default it is set to 1.00. You can adjust it. You can go as low as 0.7 or as high as 2.0. As you can see, the performance really is affected the higher you go. So I recommend adjusting it specifically to your machine. Let's say I want a bit more, a bit higher render scale to improve the look of the game. I simply select 1.1 and then I hit apply to save the changes. Next I hit close and then return to game. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.